पीताम्बरङ्करविराजितशङ्खचक्रकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायमतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशमनिशं हृदि भावयामि. Welcome to class 27 of learning to chant Sriman Narayaniyam. Ram 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 Sarvebhyah. We shall begin the revision with the 6th shloka in the 13th dashaka. 1 second. So, Shri Naina, you can unmute yourself and begin.
ततः शूलं कालप्रतिमरुति दैत्ये विसृजति त्वयिच्छिन्दत्येन करकलितचक्रप्रहरणात् समारुष्टो मुष्ट्या स खलु वितुदं स्वां समतनोत् गलन्माये मायास्त्वयि किल जगन्मोहनकरीः भवच्चक्रज्योतिष्कणलवनिपातेन विधुते ततो मायाचक्रे विततघनरोषान्धमनसं गरिष्ठाभिर्मुष्टिप्रहृतिभिरभिघ्नन्तमसुरं स्वपादाङ्गुष्ठेन श्रवणपदमूले निरवधिः महाकायः सोऽयन्तव चरणपातप्रमथितः गलद्रक्तो वक्त्रादपतदृशिभिः श्लाघितहतिः तदा त्वामुद्दामप्रमदभरविद्योतिहृदयाः मुनीन्द्राः सान्द्राभिस्तुतिभिरनुवन्नध्वरतनुम्. Should I repeat?
Repeat the last 2 lines.
मुनीन्द्राः सान्द्राभिस्तुतिभिरनुवन्नध्वरतनुम्.
Okay, continue.
त्वचिच्छन्दो रोमास्वपि कुशगणश्चक्षुषि घृतं चतुर्होतारोऽङ्घ्रौ सृगपि वदने
रोमस्वपि.
Okay. त्वचिच्छन्दो रोमस्वपि कुशगणश्चक्षुषि घृतं चतुर्होतारोऽङ्घ्रौ सृगपि वदने चोदर इडा ग्रहाजिह्वायान्ते परपुरुषकर्णे च चमसाः विभो सोमो वीर्यं वरदगलदेशेऽप्युपसदः मुनीन्द्रैरित्यादिस्तवनमुखरैर्मोदितमना महीयस्या मूर्त्या विमलतरकीर्त्या च विलसन् स्वधिष्ण्यं सम्प्राप्तः सुखरसविहारी मधुरिपो निरुन्ध्यारोगं मे सकलमपि वातालयपते. इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये हिरण्याक्षवधन्नाम त्रयोदशं दशकं समाप्तम्. नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन्नमस्ते.
Good. Very good. 14th dashakam revision. Ramya, you can begin.
समनुस्मृततावकाङ्घ्रियुग्मः समनुः पङ्कजसम्भवाङ्गजन्मा निजमन्तरमन्तराय हीनं चरितं ते कथयन् सुखं निनाय समये खलु तत्र कर्दमाख्यः द्रुहिणत्वं छाय भवस्तदीयवाचा धृतसर्गरसो निसर्गरम्यं भगवन्स्त्वामयुतं समाशिषेवे गरुडोपरि कालमेघकम्रं विलसत्केळि सरोजपाणिपद्मं हसितोल्लसिताननं विभो त्वं वपुराविष्कुरुषे स्म कर्दमाय स्तुवते पुलकावृताय तस्मै मनुपुत्रीं दयितां न वापि पुत्रीः कपिलं च सुतं स्वमेव पश्चात् स्वगतिं चाप्यनुगृह्य निर्गतो भूः समनुष्यतरूपया महिष्या गुणवत्या सुतया च देवहूत्या भवदीरितनारदोपदिष्टः समगात्कर्दममागतिप्रतीक्षम् मनुनोपहृतां च देवहूतिं तरुणीरत्नमवाप्य कर्दस्यां दृढशुश्रूषणया दधौ प्रसादम्.
Okay, let Spurti revise the 7th shloka. Spurti.
स्वदुवाचन प्रभावात् दयिता कामकृते कृते विमाने वनिता कुलसंकुलो
Okay. So we finished shloka number 7 in 14th dashkam. Today we will also be moving into Kapilopadesham, which is beautiful. So if you do, even if you do not memorize all the dashakams, it will be nice if you can memorize the 15th dashakam. That is the next one. Now we will finish these 3 and move ahead. Spurti, repeat after. Shatavarsham.
शतवर्षं शतवर्षं
अथ व्यतीत्य
अथ व्यतीत्य
सोऽयं
सोऽयं
नवकन्याः
नवकन्याः समवाप्य
धन्यरूपाः वनयान
समुद्यतः
अपिकान्ता हितकृत त्वज्जननोत्सुकः न्यवात्सीत् शतवर्षमथ व्यतीत्य सोऽयं
नवकन्याः
समवाप्य धन्यरूपाः वनयान समुद्यतः
मनयान समुद्यतः मनयान समुद्यतः
अपि कान्ता
अपि कान्ता अपि कान्ता
हितकृत
हितकृत हितकृत
त्वज्जनन
त्वज्जनन त्वज्जनन
उत्सुकः
उत्सुकः उत्सुकः
त्वज्जननोत्सुकः
त्वज्जननोत्सुकः त्वज्जननोत्सुकः
न्यवात्सीत्
न्यवात्सीत् न्यवात्सीत्
शतवर्षमथ
शतवर्षमथ शतवर्षमथ
व्यतीत्य सोऽयं
व्यतीत्य सोऽयं व्यतीत्य सोऽयं
शतवर्षमथ व्यतीत्य सोऽयं
शतवर्षमथ व्यतीत्य सोऽयं शतवर्षमथ व्यतीत्य सोऽयं
नवकन्याः समवाप्य धन्यरूपाः
नवकन्याः समवाप्य धन्यरूपाः नवकन्याः समवाप्य धन्यरूपाः
वनयानसमुद्यतः
मनयानसमुद्यतः मनयानसमुद्यतः
अपि कान्ता हितकृत
अपि कान्ता हितकृत अपि कान्ता हितकृत
त्वज्जननोत्सुकोऽन्यवात्सीत्
त्वज्जननोत्सुको न्यवासीत् त्वज्जननोत्सुको न्यवासीत्
वनयानसमुद्यतोऽपि कान्ता
मनयानसमुद्यतोऽपि कान्ता मनयानसमुद्यतोऽपि कान्ता
हितकृत्वज्जननोत्सुकोऽन्यवात्सीत्
हितकृत्वज्जननोत्सुको न्यवात्सीत् हितकृत्वज्जननोत्सुको न्यवात्सीत्
वनयानसमुद्यतोऽपि कान्ता हितकृत्वज्जननोत्सुकोऽन्यवात्सीत्
मनयानसमुद्यतोऽपि कान्ता हितकृत्वज्जननोत्सुको न्यवात्सीत् मनयानसमुद्यतोऽपि कान्ता हितकृत्वज्जननोत्सुको न्यवात्सीत् शतवर्षमथ व्यतीत्य सोऽयं नवकन्याः समवाप्य धन्यरूपाः मनयानसमुद्यतोऽपि कान्ता हितकृत्वज्जननोत्सुको न्यवात्सीत्
ninth shloka. Srinayana. हाँ. निजभर्तृ
निजभर्तृ निजभर्तृ
गिरा
गिरा गिरा
भवन्निषेवा
भवन्निषेवा भवन्निषेवा
निरतायां
निरतायां निरतायाम्
अथ देव
अथ देव
देवहूत्यां
देवहूत्यां देवहूत्यां
कपिलः
कपिलः कपिलः
त्वमजायथाः
त्वमजायथाः त्वमजायथाः
जनानां
जनानां
प्रथयिष्यन्
प्रथयिष्यन्
परमात्म
परमात्म
तत्त्वविद्याम्
तत्त्वविद्याम्
निजभर्तृगिरा
निजभर्तृगिरा
भवन्निषेवा
भवन्निषेवा
निरतायामथ
निरतायामथ
देवदेवहूत्याम्
देवदेवहूत्याम्
कपिलस्त्वम्
कपिलस्त्वम्
अजायथा जनानाम्
अजायथा जनानाम्
प्रथयिष्यन् परमात्मतत्त्वविद्याम्
परमात्मतत्त्वविद्याम् निजभर्तृगिरा
भवन्निषेवा
निरतायाम्
अथ देवदेवहूत्याम्
अथ देवदेवहूत्याम्
निजभर्तृगिरा भवन्निषेवा निरतायामथ देवदेवहूत्याम् निजभर्तृगिरा भवन्निषेवा निरतायामथ देवदेवहूत्याम्
निजभर्तृगिरा भवन्निषेवा निरतायामथ देवदेवहूत्याम् निजभर्तृगिरा भवन्निषेवा निरतायामथ देवदेवहूत्याम्
कपिलस्त्वम् अजायथा
जनानाम्
कपिलस्त्वमजायथा
जनानाम् प्रथयिष्यन्
परमात्मतत्त्वविद्याम्
परमात्मतत्त्वविद्याम् परमात्मतत्त्वविद्याम्
प्रथयिष्यन् परमात्मतत्त्वविद्याम्
प्रथयिष्यन् परमात्मतत्त्वविद्याम् प्रथयिष्यन् परमात्मतत्त्वविद्याम्
Shloka, just repeat it.
Okay. निजभर्तृगिरा भवन्निषेवा निरतायामथ देवहूत्याम् कपिलस्त्वमजायथा जनानां प्रथयिष्यन् परमात्मतत्त्वविद्याम्
Very good. Move on to shloka number 10. Aparna. Yes. Vanameयुषि
वनमेयुषि
कर्दमे प्रसन्ने
कर्दमे प्रसन्ने
मत सर्वस्वम्
मत सर्वस्वम्
उपादिशन्
उपादिशन्
जनन्यै
जनन्यै
कपिलात्मक
कपिलात्मक
वायुमन्दिरेश
वायुमन्दिरेश
त्वरितं
त्वरितं त्वम्
परिपाहि माम्
परिपाहि माम्
गदौघात्
गदौघात् वनमेयुषि
कर्दमे
प्रसन्ने
मत सर्वस्वम्
मत सर्वस्वम्
उपादिशन्
जनन्यै
कपिलात्मक वायुमन्दिरेश त्वरितं
त्वम्
परिपाहि मां गदौघात्
परिपाहि मां गदौघात्
वनमेयुषि कर्दमे प्रसन्ने
वनमेयुषि कर्दमे प्रसन्ने
मत सर्वस्वमुपादिशन् जनन्यै
मत सर्वस्वमुपादिशन् जनन्यै
कपिलात्मक वायुमन्दिरेश
कपिलात्मकवायुमन्दिरेश कपिलात्मकवायुमन्दिरेश
त्वरितं त्वं परिपाहि मां गदौघात्
त्वरितं त्वं त्वरितं त्वं परिपाहि मां गदौघात् त्वरितं त्वं परिपाहि मां गदौघात्
Good. The whole shloka once.
वनमेयुषि कर्दमे प्रसन्ने मत सर्वस्वमुपादिशन् जनन्यै कपिलात्मकवायुमन्दिरेश त्वरितं त्वं परिपाहि मां गदौघात्.
Good. The first line, that before that prasanne, this kardame prasanne is there. Since pra is a samyukta akshara, that is, it is a double akshara, there is a little slight stress there, as if there is one more extra half pa. Kardame prasanne. It is not kardame prasanne. Kardame prasanne. Little stress there. So just the first line, just repeat again.
वनमेयुषि कर्दमे प्रसन्ने.
Correct. Very good. That's all. So that is the same. It is always the case for any samyukta akshara. So even in the second line, mata sarvasvam. So the sva is samyukta akshara. So a slight stress. Sarvasvam. Jananyai. As if there is an extra. That's how it will come. According to the meter also, even when we tell, that's how it will come. When the two words are separate, we will feel like we have to give a slight pause or a gap there. That should not happen. It should almost be read like a single word when the next akshara is a samyukta akshara. That is the trick. So any new shloka or whatever you read, for example, kapilatmaka we will read easily. There atmaka will come as that ta, one extra ta will come because it is one single word. But when the new word starts with a samyukta akshara, a lot of beginners, they make a mistake where that kardame prasanne, they will say. It is kardame prasanne.
Yes.
That slight stress should come. That's all. Good.
Okay.
Now we'll just finish the dashakam. Iti Srimannarayaniye.
इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये. इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये.
Kapilavataran
कपिलावतारन्नाम
Chaturdashan dashakam samaptam.
चतुर्दशं दशकं समाप्तम्. चतुर्दशं दशकं समाप्तम्. इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये कपिलावतारन्नाम चतुर्दशं दशकं समाप्तम्. नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन्नमस्ते.
Welcome to Dashakam 15. Dashakam 15 is a new chandas that we have not seen before. It is called Malini. It's a very nice chandas. And the yati here, that is the split. The pause is after 8 letters and 7 letters. So it is almost an equal split. Since it's a new chandas, we will see it a little different ragam. Nice one. And this is the Upadesha of Kapila to his mother Devahuti. So it is good to memorize this dashakam. Ramya? Ramya? Huh. Matiriha.
Matiriha
Gunasakta.
Gunasakta
Bandhakritteshu.
Bandhakritteshu
Asakta.
Asakta
Tvamrita.
Tvamrita
कृदुपरुन्धे
कृदुपरुन्धे कृदुपरुन्धे
त्वामृतकृत्
त्वामृतकृत् त्वामृतकृत्
उपरुन्धे
उपरुन्धे उपरुन्धे
भक्तियोगस्तु
भक्तियोगस्तु भक्तियोगस्तु
शक्तिं
शक्तिं शक्तिं
महदनुगम
महदनुगम महदनुगम
लभ्या
लभ्या लभ्या
भक्तिरेवात्र
भक्तिरेवात्र भक्तिरेवात्र
साध्या
साध्या साध्या
कपिलतनुः
कपिलतनुः कपिलतनुः
इति त्वम्
इति त्वम् इति त्वम्
I cannot hear you. The ititvam was not heard.
इति त्वम् इति त्वम्
देवहूत्यै
देवहूत्यै देवहूत्यै
न्यगादीः
न्यगादीः न्यगादीः
मतिरिह गुणसक्ता
मतिरिह गुणसक्ता मतिरिह गुणसक्ता
बन्धकृत्तेषु
बन्धकृत्येषु बन्धकृत्येषु
असक्ता
असक्ता असक्ता
त्वमृतकृत्
त्वामृतकृत् त्वामृतकृत्
उपरुन्धे
उपरुन्धे उपरुन्धे
त्वमृतकृदुपरुन्धे
त्वामृतकृदुपरुन्धे त्वामृतकृदुपरुन्धे
भक्तियोगस्तु शक्तिम्
भक्तियोगस्तु शक्तिम् भक्तियोगस्तु शक्तिम्
महदनुगमलभ्या
महदनुगमलभ्या महदनुगमलभ्या
भक्तिरेवात्र साध्या
भक्तिरेवात्र साध्या भक्तिरेवात्र साध्या
कपिलतनुरिति त्वम्
कपिलतनुरिति त्वम् कपिलतनुरिति त्वम्
देवहूत्यै न्यगादीः
देवहूत्यै न्यगादीः देवहूत्यै न्यगादीः
मतिरिह गुणसक्ता
मतिरिह गुणसक्ता मतिरिह गुणसक्ता
बन्धकृत्तेष्वसक्ता
बन्धकृत्तेष्वसक्ता बन्धकृत्तेष्वसक्ता
मतिरिह गुणसक्ता बन्धकृत्तेष्वसक्ता
बन्धकृत्तेष्वसक्ता
मतिरिह गुणसक्ता बन्धकृत्तेष्वसक्ता मतिरिह गुणसक्ता बन्धकृत्तेष्वसक्ता
त्वमृतकृदुपरुन्धे
त्वमृतकृदुपरुन्धे त्वमृतकृदुपरुन्धे
भक्तियोगस्तु शक्तिम्
भक्तियोगस्तु शक्तिम् भक्तियोगस्तु शक्तिम्
त्वमृतकृदुपरुन्धे भक्तियोगस्तु शक्तिम्
त्वमृतकृदुपरुन्धे भक्तियोगस्तु शक्तिम् त्वमृतकृदुपरुन्धे भक्तियोगस्तु शक्तिम्
महदनुगमलभ्या
महदनुगमलभ्या महदनुगमलभ्या
भक्तिरेवात्र साध्या
भक्तिरेवात्र साध्या भक्तिरेवात्र साध्या
महदनुगमलभ्या भक्तिरेवात्र साध्या
महदनुगमलभ्या भक्तिरेवात्र साध्या महदनुगमलभ्या भक्तिरेवात्र साध्या
कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः
कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः मतिरिह गुणसक्ता बन्धकृत्तेष्वसक्ता त्वमृतकृदुपरुन्धे भक्तियोगस्तु शक्तिम् महदनुगमलभ्या भक्तिरेवात्र साध्या कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः.
Very good. So these semicolons, most of you will already know. Any people who have joined later after 6th, 7th dashakam, these are for just a breath. If you want to take a pause or take a breath, these semicolons tell you where to take. The previous chandas, since we have already seen, or there is no breath to take, I had not put semicolon. This is the first time we are coming across Malini. Therefore, I have put the semicolon to tell you where to take the breath. Basically, in the first slide, I have told you it is 8 plus 7. So that semicolon comes after 8 letters. So that is what a yati means, where you can take your breath, or usually it is split in that way. So even in the last line, after Kapilatanurititvamam, there's semicolon. I forgot to put it. Nonetheless, this last line is going to repeat. It is going to keep repeating in every shloka till the 9th shloka, except the last one, it will repeat everywhere. So in that way, it is lesser portion to by heart. Once you know that last line, it is going to repeat everywhere. But it is also difficult to remember the next shloka, since the last line is going to be same in every shloka. We'll move on to next shloka. Who's next? Vijay Lakshmi. Prakriti.
Prakriti.
Mahadahankarascha.
Mahadahankarascha. Mahadahankarascha.
Matrascha.
Matrascha. Matrascha.
Bhutani.
Bhutani. Bhutani.
Api hridapi.
Api hridapi. Api hridapi.
Dashakshi.
Dashakshi. Dashakshi.
Purushaha.
Purushaha. पूरुषः
पञ्चविंशः
पञ्चविंशः पञ्चविंशः
इति विदित
इति विदित इति विदित
विभागः
I didn't hear you.
विभागः
विभागः विभागः
मुच्यते सौ
मुच्यते सौ मुच्यते सौ
प्रकृत्या
प्रकृत्या प्रकृत्या
कपिलतनुरिति
कपिलतनुरिति कपिलतनुरिति
त्वं देवहूत्यै
त्वं देवहूत्यै त्वं देवहूत्यै
न्यगादीः
न्यगादीः न्यगादीः
प्रकृतिमहदहं प्रकृतिमहत्
प्रकृतिमहत् प्रकृतिमहत्
अहङ्काराश्च
अहङ्काराश्च अहङ्काराश्च
मात्राश्च भूतानि
मात्राश्च भूतानि मात्राश्च भूतानि
अपि हृदपि दशाक्षी
अपि हृदपि दशाक्षी अपि हृदपि दशाक्षी
पूरुषः पञ्चविंशः
पूरुषः पञ्चविंशः पूरुषः पञ्चविंशः
इति विदितविभागः
इति विदितविभागः इति विदितविभागः
मुच्यते सौ प्रकृत्या
मुच्यते सौ प्रकृत्या मुच्यते सौ प्रकृत्या
कपिलतनुरिति त्वं
कपिलतनुरिति त्वं कपिलतनुरिति त्वं
देवहूत्यै न्यगादीः
देवहूत्यै न्यगादीः देवहूत्यै न्यगादीः
प्रकृतिमहदहङ्काराश्च
प्रकृतिमहदहङ्काराश्च प्रकृतिमहदहङ्काराश्च
मात्राश्च भूतानि
मात्राश्च भूतानि मात्राश्च भूतानि
अपि हृदपि दशाक्षी
अपि हृदपि दशाक्षी अपि हृदपि दशाक्षी
पूरुषः पञ्चविंशः
पूरुषः पञ्चविंशः पूरुषः पञ्चविंशः
प्रकृतिमहदहङ्काराश्च मात्राश्च भूतानि
प्रकृतिमहदहङ्काराश्च मात्राश्च भूतानि प्रकृतिमहदहङ्काराश्च मात्राश्च भूतानि
अपि हृदपि दशाक्षी पूरुषः पञ्चविंशः
अपि हृदपि दशाक्षी पूरुषः पञ्चविंशः अपि हृदपि दशाक्षी पूरुषः पञ्चविंशः
प्रकृतिमहदहङ्काराश्च मात्राश्च भूतान्यपि हृदपि दशाक्षी पूरुषः पञ्चविंशः
प्रकृतिमहदहङ्काराश्च मात्राश्च भूतान्यपि हृदपि दशाक्षी पुरुषः पञ्चविंशः प्रकृतिमहदहङ्काराश्च मात्राश्च भूतानि अपि हृदपि दशाक्षी पुरुषः पञ्चविंशः.
Repeat once again. Take a pause at ahankarascha and then matrascha bhutanyapi hridapi dashakshi.
Okay.
Repeat the two lines again.
प्रकृतिमहदहङ्काराश्च मात्राश्च भूतान्यपि हृदपि दशाक्षी पुरुषः पञ्चविंशः प्रकृतिमहदहङ्काराश्च मात्राश्च भूतान्यपि हृदपि दशाक्षी पुरुषः पञ्चविंशः.
इति विदित विभागो मुच्यते सौ प्रकृत्या.
इति विदित विभागो मुच्यते सौ प्रकृत्या. इति विदित विभागो मुच्यते सौ प्रकृत्या.
कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः.
कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः. कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः.
Whole shloka once.
प्रकृतिमहदहङ्काराश्च मात्राश्च भूतान्यपि हृदपि दशाक्षी पुरुषः पञ्चविंशः इति विदित विभागो
Purushah, not
मुच्यते.
purushah.
फुल्ला रिपीट पण्ण. प्रकृतिमहदहङ्काराश्च मात्राश्च भूतान्यपि हृदपि दशाक्षी पुरुषः पञ्चविंशः इति विदित विभागो मुच्यते सौ प्रकृत्या. कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः.
Okay, good. Yes, this the way Bhattatri has created these shlokas also is a little difficult because he has put a lot of tattva about their 15 or 20 close to some adhyayas in Bhagavata. That whole thing has been condensed in one dashakam here, Kapilopadesh. So now we Amogha, third shloka. Prakritigata गुणौघैः नाज्यते
पूरुषोऽयम्
यदि तो सजति तस्यां तद्गुणाः तं भजेरन् मदनुभजन तत्त्वालोचनैः साप्यपेयात् प्रकृतिगत गुणौघैः नाज्यते पूरुषोऽयं
नाच्यते पूरुषोऽयम् नाच्यते पूरुषोऽयम्
यदि तु सजति तस्यां
यदि तु सजति तस्याम् यदि तु सजति तस्याम्
तद्गुणास्तं भजेरन्
तद्गुणास्तं भजेरन् तद्गुणास्तं भजेरन्
There the tat and gunastam, when we make the santi, the ta becomes da. It is split and written. We just have to change it to dakara. Since there we don't need to split anything, we will say tell it as tadgunaha only. Madanu bhajana
मदनु भजन
tattvalochanaihi
तत्त्वालोचनैः
madanu bhajana tattvalochanaihi
मदनु भजन तत्त्वालोचनैः मदनु भजन तत्त्वालोचनैः
साप्यपेयात्
साप्यपेयात्
प्रकृतिगतगुणौघैः
प्रकृतिगतगुणौघैः
नाज्यते पूरुषोऽयम्
नाच्यते पूरुषोऽयम्
प्रकृतिगतगुणौघैर्नाज्यते पूरुषोऽयम्
प्रकृतिगतगुणौघैर्नाच्यते पूरुषोऽयम् प्रकृतिगतगुणौघैर्नाच्यते पूरुषोऽयम्
यदि तु सजति तस्याम्
यदि तु सजति तस्याम्
तद्गुणास्तं भजेरन्
तद्गुणास्तं भजेरन्
यदि तु सजति तस्यां तद्गुणास्तं भजेरन्
यदि तु सजति तस्यां तद्गुणास्तं भजेरन् यदि तु सजति तस्यां तद्गुणास्तं भजेरन्
मदनु भजन तत्त्वालोचनैः
मदनु भजन तत्त्वालोचनैः मदनु भजन तत्त्वालोचनैः
साप्यपेयात् मदनु भजन तत्त्वालोचनैः साप्यपेयात्
मदनु भजन तत्त्वालोचनैः साप्यपेयात् मदनु भजन तत्त्वालोचनैः साप्यपेयात्
कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः
कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः प्रकृतिगतगुणौघैर्नाच्यते पूरुषोऽयम् यदि तु सजति तस्यां तद्गुणास्तं भजेरन् मदनु भजन तत्त्वालोचनैः साप्यपेयात् कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः
Very good. So the last line I just skipped while teaching slowly because we have already seen it twice. So same over the next 6 shlokas also I will be doing the same thing because it is going to repeat itself. It's a repetitive phrase. So I think so that is the last shloka for today. I will repeat the 14th dashakam. Before that, we will just have Vijay Lakshmi Mami, who for 2-3 minutes she will tell about her experience of this memorization. So she has given both the memorization tests and she has improved vastly over the first one and second one. So she just want to share her experiences of memorization and some tips that she might for those who want to newly memorize. And this memorization test, it does not mean if you have not done the first 10, you can't participate later. You can participate for any memorization test that comes up. So do not worry, just if you have not been able to do the previous ones, just get into it and then do the next one. 11 to 15 is all mostly small shlokas and so on from the 16 to 20. We for some time we won't be seeing big shlokas. It's going to come in Narasimhavatara, but till then we won't be seeing huge like Sagdhara or Shardula Vikriditam. So you can surely get into the groove. Okay. So we will have Vijay Lakshmi Mami who will talk for about a couple of minutes now.
Ram, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. Your video also you can share so that they can see.
So first, I will say that it's purely because of Guru's grace and Guru Vairappan's grace that we are able to learn it from our own comfort, our own place, our own house. We don't have to go anywhere, but we are learning from the best Guru possible. So it's surely his grace. So first thing is that. And secondly, I don't have big Sanskrit knowledge. I just can read that too. I can just count and read. I can't read it fluently. But the way you teach is what has motivated me, and especially this test I would request everyone to take because that's the only thing that will make you learn, that will make us practice more. And it is definitely, we should feel that he is sitting and listening to us. Guru Vairappan is simply sitting and listening to whatever we are chanting or learning. So the way you teach, that's the main thing that has motivated me to learn, because in my house, I think my walls will also chant Narayaniam because I keep playing your recording. So the first few sessions I used to record it in my phone, whatever you say together, and then play it all the time whenever I'm doing any other work. So definitely that frequent hearing helps a lot. That is number one. And number two, what I personally feel is whenever you were teaching, I used to write it, not have any book or print out. I used to write it on, first I used to make one rough copy. Then the next day I'll make it in another fair note, or just like a school child, because it's quite tough. I don't have that much knowledge neither in Sanskrit nor any previous knowledge in Narayaniam, but that writing definitely helps. And number three is listening to your recordings, your teachings in YouTube, minimum of at least 2 times a day. That's a ritual for me. So whenever I'm cooking, or whatever work I'm doing, it will be playing at the background. I also have a selfish motive that even my child will learn listening to whatever is happening. So at the end of whenever I chant sitting near God, he will only say Narayana, Akhila Guru, Bhagavan Namaste. He will say, I'm happy if he says even that. He will eventually learn the whole thing is what is my aim. So these 3 things very important, that YouTube repeatedly playing the teaching, especially just previous test munnadi, I make sure I keep listen, and thungum bodalla I'll be adu thookathlalama it keeps repeating. I don't know if it's happening to everybody. So the only thing that I would request everyone is you should take part. Of course, when you go onto the test stage, you finally, it's only his grace if you're going to say or you're going to whatever. But it's a must that all of us should take this test, so that we learn at least few of the shlokams, few of the dashakams. So I would request all of you to take this test up, at least 10 to 15 we would like to have, so that we all get motivated to learn from. When you see a child chanting so well, you feel bad that, oh, you didn't learn it then. But still, better late than never is the policy that we should follow. And when somebody elder to us, they say, you definitely feel that, yeah, if he can do, I can also do. So I think that's the only thing we all should follow. And I would request all of you to take part in the test. Coming 10 to 15, as you said, it's a relatively simpler dashakams, as you say. It's not simpler for us. At least people should try to take part in that, is my request. Narayana Akhila Guru Bhagavan Namaste.
Ram. Dhanyavada. So that is some nice tips. And for elders, it will surely help, as she said, if you write it down. So for children, listening is more effective. For elders, it is more effective if you probably write it down, and twice writing will surely help. So that is an experience by one who has attended both the memorization tests. We will see some more people in the coming weeks. Anyway, I will repeat the whole of the 14th dashakam for this. Atha chaturdasham dashakam samanusmritatavakanghriyugmaha samanuh pankajasambhavangajanma nijamantaramantarayaheenam चरितन्ते कथयन् सुखन्निनाय समये खलु तत्र कर्दमाख्यः द्रुहिणच्छाय भवस्तदीयवाचा धृतसर्गरसो निसर्गरम्यं भगवंस्त्वामयुतं समासिषेवे गरुडोपरि कालमेघकम्रं विलसत्केलिसरोजपाणिपद्मं हसितोल्लसिताननं विभो त्वं वपुराविष्कुरुषे स्म कर्दमाय स्तुवते पुलकावृताय तस्मै मनुपुत्रीं दयितान्न वापि पुत्रीः कपिलं च सुतं स्वमेव पश्चात् स्वगतिं चाप्यनुगृह्य निर्गतो भूः समनुष्यतरूपया महिष्या गुणवत्या सुतया च देवहूत्या भवदीरितनारदोपदिष्टः समगात्कर्दममागतिप्रतीक्षम् मनुनोपहृताञ्च देवहूतिं तरुणीरत्नमवाप्य कर्दमोऽसौ भवदर्चन निर्वृतोऽपि तस्यां दृढशुश्रूषणया दधौ प्रसादम् स पुनस्त्वदुपासनप्रभावात् दयिता कामकृते कृते विमाने वनिताकुलसङ्कुलो नवात्मा व्यहरद्देवपथेषु देवहूत्या शतवर्षमथ व्यतीत्य सोऽयं नवकन्याः समवाप्य धन्यरूपाः वनयानसमुद्यतोऽपि कान्ता हितकृत्वज्जननोत्सुकोऽन्यवात्सीत् निजभर्तृगिरा भवन्निषेवा निरतायामथ देवदेवहूत्यां कपिलस्त्वमजा यथा जनानां प्रथयिष्यन् परमात्मतत्त्वविद्यां वनमेयुषि कर्दमे प्रसन्ने मत सर्वस्वमुपादिशन् जनन्यै कपिलात्मकवायुमन्दिरेश त्वरितं त्वं परिपाहि मां गदौघात् इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये कपिलावतारनाम चतुर्दशं दशकं समाप्तं नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. So now we will take some questions as usual. I will put all the hands down and then you can raise your hands. Now you can raise your hands. We will take some questions and then we will see some recitation by students. Panchanadam Swaminathan, Ram Ram.
Hello.
Ram Ram, I can hear you.
Ram Ram. Yeah, I really like the presentation of the experience of Srimati Jayalakshmi. One thing, very powerful statement, I can vouch for it. She said her children, they pick up when she recites it every day. Because I am 72 years old. When I was growing up, my mother used to recite all these slokas in the morning. It's like a Suprabhatam morning. So
Correct.
really, really, really different. So thanks very much for it. Thank you. That's all I wanted to say. It's a very great
Yes.
continue.
So that is how I also learned many of my shlokas. So it all goes to the credit, and namaskarams go to my mother and all the elders who have been. That's how the house environment should be. Thank you.
So it impresses upon you. So the rest of your life is set up for you. So it's
Yes,
not
absolutely. Correct. Correct.
Dhanyawada.
Dhanyavada. Thank you. Ashok RV.
Namaskaram. I want a small help.
Yes.
Dasakam 1 of, Dasakam 15, Slokam 1. Can you just show it on screen? I want to copy it.
Yes. 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 I put it on screen. Yes.
Yeah. Thanks. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Okay. Thank you. Ram Ram. So we don't have many questions today. I think those are the only questions we have today. No one else seemed to have. That is nice. So I've answered a lot of questions last time. Okay. Sushilam. Sushilam.
Hello. Sushilam அல்ல
Ram Ram.
சுஷீலா மகாதேவன் சுஷீலா மகாதேவன் இப்ப இந்த
Okay.
15வது தசகத்தை ஒண்ணு சொல்ல முடியுமா இப்ப சொல்லி கொடுத்தத
சொல்ல முடியுமான்னா
தட் இஸ் இப்போ நீங்க சாண்ட் பண்ண முடியுமான்னு சோ தட் அந்த ராகம் எங்களுக்கு நல்லா தெரியும் இல்லையா
ஓ அதான் சரி சரி சொல்லிடுறேன் அது எப்படி சொல்லிக்க நான் சொல்லிடுறேன் இந்த 3 ஸ்லோகத்தை ஒரு வாட்டி சொல்லிடுறேன் ஏன்னா நிறைய எப்படி கேள்வி இல்ல
நான் எங்க நெக்ஸ்ட் இந்த கிளாஸ்ல எங்களுக்கு படிச்சுக்கலாம் இல்லையா அதனால
புரிஞ்சுது இது 3 இப்ப சொல்லி கொடுத்த 3 சொல்லிடுறேன் then we will take from students we will take मतिरिह गुणसक्ता बन्धकृत्तेष्वसक्ता त्वमृतकृदुपरुन्धे भक्तियोगस्तु शक्तिं महदनुगमलभ्या भक्तिरेवात्र साध्या कपिलतनुरिति त्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः प्रकृति महदहंकाराश्च मात्राश्च भूतान्यपि हृदपि दशाक्षी पूरुषः पंचविंशः इति विदित विभागो मुच्यते सौ प्रकृत्या कपिलतनुरिति त्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः प्रकृतिगत गुणौघैर्नाज्यते पूरुषोऽयं यदि तु सजति तस्यां तद्गुणास्तं भजेरन् मदनुभजन तत्त्वालोचनैः सप्यपेयात् कपिलतनुरिति त्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः. So that is the 3 shlokas. Devika Rani, you have a question? Devika Rani, you can unmute yourself.
Namaskaraha Mahodaya.
Namaskaraha.
I've been regularly attending your class from the first Dashakam. Though I would love to take up the memorization test, I'm very scared first. And secondly, I'm also learning Sanskrit, so I'm taking up exams with the Samskrita Bharati is the exams I'm taking up. I'm doing Gita Sopanam now. So that is also there. So apart with my household work and other things, what little time I get, I have to. But anyway, this is one thing, sir. And நிறைய இடத்துல நாராயணியம் வந்து பாட்டா பாடும்போது கொஞ்சம் இதெல்லாம் the visargas and all are getting changed. So is that format also correct?
You should not change the pronunciation or do any kind of mistakes with Vyakarana. You can sing it very well even by following all Vyakarana rules.
Okay, what happens mainly is that Jikva Mulyaha, that part is not that doesn't happen. For example, the Tatashulam you should say, so that Shakara is not heard, especially that Jikva Mulya is not
I understood.
That it can when we say that
yes. So little
that alone is missing, sir. Everything else is there.
Everything else you can get it.
That
I understand.
That one, because that one thing I noticed. And second one thing, in sometimes when it ends with a visarga, they say the visarga, and sometimes they use the okara.
That is okay. That is not such a big mistake because that okara is anyway a part of the sandhi for the next part. So if they are going to continue, it is okay. At least for musical instances, it is acceptable. It is not very wrong.
Okay, sir.
There is not a big mistake because it anyway something going to come with that okara. So it is not. There is a slight leeway for music, but it should not become very like in Tamil we say Sukumi Lagadi Pili. You should not start splitting like that and sing it.
Okay.
That's all.
So as long as the words are right, it's fine.
Yes, exactly. Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
And,
Kalyana Krishnan. Ram.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
I've been listening to you quite carefully and then enjoying the abhyasa by all the others. But one question remains. That is, if there is any way somebody can do the word-to-word translation plus the grammatical notes, the vibhaktis, the tingantas, and the tadhitas, all of those things. I mean, even if it costs some money, as long as it is reasonable, I'd be happy to foot the bill. But it sure would be a wonderful thing to do, because all these books that I see, they have translation, but they don't have the, word vyutpatti, none of that stuff. So is that
Vyakarana import is not correct.
Yeah, can we persuade someone to do this for a price? Or I mean, I know you're a very, very busy man, and what you're doing is amazing.
We will look into it. I will talk to the Vyoma organizers also, both Venkatanna and Vishwanathanna, because I was also thinking on those lines that there should be some kind of course with the Vyakarana instances of like learning Vyakarana from Narayaniam. So we have an idea of that sort. So we have to put it into place with a very competent person who knows enough Vyakarana and who is able to get through the Kavya, the poetry part, which Alankara and all those things also.
Yeah, actually, while you were teaching how to chant this, I've been kind of going through it on each line on the right side, for example, just put down, break up the words, put the vibhaktis, put the tingandas, what it is, and whether it is kridanda or whatever it is, and the meaning. It sure would be really helpful. It's okay. It's one thing to have the old Latin Catholic prayer. Nobody understood what it was. It is something else to know the meaning and the way it is created. I mean, you just have a much better appreciation for those who have, for the person who created this. So again, while it's difficult to put the bill all by one person, I'll be more than happy to put the lion's share of it if you can persuade someone, including yourself, to do this while we proceed with the chanting. That way you don't look.
Yes, surely we will put our maximum efforts and we'll try to find and we will try to conglomerate and do something for it. Yes. Thank you for the suggestion. Yes.
Appreciate it. Thank you. Yes. Have a great day. Yep.
Thank you. Dhanyavada. Nambiyur Giri.
So we must thank we must thank Vijayashmi Kirtivasan to share her ideas, that is her experience, how to memorize that is Narayaniam. It is very helpful for us and also inspiration, motivation for us. Just I want to, this Dashakam is, you say that it is that Kapila Muni is giving that Devahuja some advices. On what subject these advices are given? Just I want to know.
And that anyway, during my discourse on Dashakam 11 to 15, I will tell in detail. Dashakam 15 we will deal with in detail. It is anyway there in the third skandha of Bhagavatam, the 30th skandha. It's huge. 15 to 20 chapters are there. It is all Atma Vidya only, basically.
Okay. Ram.
Yeah.
Dhanyavad.
Soumya H. Ram. Soumya H.
Ram, sir. I usually follow your recordings and I have learned from that. So when you say recitation, so is it possible that we can start reciting from first Dashakam?
Yes, you can. For the next, you're asking for the memorization test?
No. For reciting in the class after the question and answer session is over.
Oh, so, okay.
for chanting in
Okay.
class.
If you get your chance in class, we do not have a lot of time as such to chant. So since we are giving only one shloka per person, you may tell if you want to tell. When I give you a chance, you can tell the first dashakam also. I will listen and I will tell you, but it won't come on the screen. That's all. So
Okay.
we can do that also if at all you want to tell one or two shlokas.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Because in class you will get chance only once in 3-4 weeks, because there are about 60 to 100 people who raise their hands every time, and I'm able to give chance only to 10 to 15 people each class. So your chance might not come for another 4-5 weeks. So whichever way you want, if you want to tell some old
Is
shlokas,
there
you
any?
can tell.
Is there any way, or we can, to tell that okay, we are on the right this thing?
The best way is to attend the memorization test, or else it is we don't know. Personally, because there are at least 300 students attending every year, if not every week, if not more. So the minimum attendance has been 300 till now, and it goes up to 500. So it is little difficult to give that individual attention. I'm sorry for that, but
okay, I understand.
Thank you. Now I will just put all the hands down, and you can raise your hands for chanting. We'll just have these 10 shloka from 13.6. We will chant. Yes, you can raise your hands. Shripada Satyabhaskar. Or no, okay, that went. Yeah, Shripada Satyabhaskar. That's right. Ha. Ram Ram. Ram Ram.
तदसूलं कालप्रतिमर्षिदैत्ये विसृजति त्वैच्छिन्दत्येनत्करकलितचक्रप्रहरणात् समारुष्टो मुष्ट्या स खलु विदुदं स्वां समतनोत् गलन्माये मायास्त्वयि किल जगन्मोहनकरीः.
Good chanting.
मम भ्रातापि वक्तुमिच्छति. मम भ्राता
अस्तु वदतु. सोऽपि सप्तमश्लोकं वदतु.
भवच्चक्रज्योतिष्कनलवनिपातेन विधुते ततो माया चक्रे विततघनरोषान्धमनसं गरिष्ठाभिर्मुष्टिप्रहृतिभिरभिघ्नन्तमसुरं स्वपादाङ्गुष्ठेन श्रवणपदमूले निरवधिः.
तव नाम किम्?
सूर्य विवेकानंद महोदय.
सम्यक् उक्तं. महापुराणाः अपि सम्यक् उक्ताः. तथैव वक्तव्यं. सम्यक् अस्ति. अतीव सम्यक्.
धन्यवादाः महोदय.
धन्यवादाः. अग्रे गच्छामः. ओके, मालती राममूर्ति 13.8.
राम राम. राम राम जी. राम नमस्कारम. 8th श्लोकम. महाकाय सोऽयं तव चरणपात प्रमथितः गलद्रक्तो वक्रादपदर्षिभिः श्लाघितहतिः तदा त्वामुद्दामप्रमदभरविद्योतिहृदयाः मुनीन्द्राः सान्द्राभिः स्तुतिभिः अनुवन्नध्वरतनुम्. मुनीन्द्राः सान्द्राभिः स्तुतिभिरनुवन्नध्वरतनुम्.
இந்த வார்த்தையை மட்டும் சொல்லுங்க. இந்த இரண்டாவது லைன்ல
எங்க எது?
இந்த அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க.
ஓ, வக்ராதபத ரிஷிபிஹ்
ஆபத த்ரிஷிபிஹ். அந்த தா இத சொல்ல மாட்டேங்க. இந்த தாவ சொல்ல மாட்டேங்கிறீர்கள்.
ஓ, வக்ராதபத ரிஷிபிஹ் த்ரிதி
ஆபத த்ரிஷி
ஆபத த்ரிஷிபிஹ் வக்ராதபத த்ரிஷிபிஹ்.
கரெக்ட். அவ்வளவுதான். இங்க லாஸ்ட் லைன்லயும் இந்த ரா சரியா வரல. அதே மாதிரி ஸ்துதிபீர்
அனுவன். அச்சா, த்ரு வரலையா? த்ரு சொல்லலனா இல்லையா?
த்ரு சொல்லல, ருன்னு சொல்றேலங்க. த்ரு இருக்குங்க. அபதது ரிஷிபிஹி அபத த்ரிஷிபி.
வக்ராதபத த்ரிஷிபிஹ் ஸ்லாகிதஹதிஹி.
இல்ல, நான் சொல்றேன். வெரி குட். Next,
Thank you.
thank you. Vatsala Jambunathan. Shloka 9. Vatsala Jambunathan. You're self-muted, Vatsala Jambunathan. Then I'll call Mahalakshmi Balaji. Mahalakshmi Balaji. Vatsala Jambunathan or Mahalakshmi Balaji? Mahalakshmi Balaji, yes. Namaste.
क्वचिच्छन्दो रोमस्वपि कुशगणश्चक्षुषि कृतं चतुर्होतारोऽङ्ग्रौ स्तुगपि वदने चोदरौ इडा
Repeat second line.
चतुर्होतारोऽङ्ग्रौ स्तुगपि
Mahaprana.
घ्रौ चतुर्होतारोऽङ्घ्रौ स्तुगपि वदने चोदर इडा स्तुगपि वदने चोदर
It is Sru.
स्तुगपि वदने चोदर इडा ग्रहाजिह्वायान्ते परपुरुषकर्णे च समसाः विभो सोमो वीर्यं वरदगलदेशेऽप्युपसदः गलदेशेऽप्युपसदः.
Yes.
Ram, Vatsala Jambunathan.
Yes, Vatsala Jambunathan. Shloka number 10.
मुनीन्द्र इत्यादित्यत्प्रमुखैरै मोदितमना महीभ्यस्यामूर्त्यो विमलतरिकीर्त्यो च विलसन् स्वदिष्यन्यं सम्प्रासः सुकरसि विहारी मधुरिपो निरुन्ध्यारोगान्मे सकलमपि वातालयपते.
Just repeat the second line.
महीयस्यामूर्त्यो
विमलतरकी. How is Murtya?
Where
it is Murtya. Not Murtyo.
Murtya. Mahisya Murtya Vimalatarikyityo cha Vilasana.
Not Kirtyo, it is Kirtya again. Why is there a mistake? Kirtya, not Kirtyo.
Kirtya, okay. Mahisya Murtya Vimalatarikyitya cha Vilasan Swadishanyam Sampraptaha Sukarasaha Vihari Madhuripo.
Good.
Thank you.
Swarna Sudagoni, 14.1. Ram.
समनुस्मृततावकाघ्रियुग्मः समनुः पङ्कजसम्भवाङ्गजन्मा निजमन्तरमन्तराय हीनं चरितन्ते कथयन् सुखन्निनाय.
Good, you are getting improving quite well. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Vanamala 14.2.
Namaskaram. समये खलु तत्र कर्दमाख्यः द्रुहिणच्छाय भवस्तदीयवाचा धृतसर्गरसो निसर्गरम्यं भगवंस्तामयुतं समासिषेवे.
Very good. Only samasisheve, little more stress on samasisheve. That sakara since there's a
Mayudam samasisheve.
Okay. Good.
Thank you.
Next, Mallika Suresh. Then I call Sri Devi N.
கேக்குறதா? எனக்கு வந்து இந்த ஒரு சின்ன டவுட் இருந்தது. தசகம் 13 ஸ்லோகா நம்பர் 8ல முனீந்திரா சாந்திராபிஹி ஸ்துதிபிர் அனுவன் சொல்லலாமா?
ஸ்துதிபிர் அனுவந்த இருக்குங்க. ஸ்துதிபிர் அனுவந்தனே இருக்கு.
Okay, okay. I was wondering whether it is Stuti Bir Anuvan or Stuti Bhir Anuvan சொல்லலாமான்னு அதுதான் ஒரு டவுட்டா இருந்தது.
The split வந்து ஸ்துதி பிஹி அனுவன், அந்த ரகாரம் வந்து புதுசா வரதாங்க. சந்தி ஸ்பிளிட் பண்ணா ஸ்துதி பிஹி அனுவன்னு சந்தி, சேர்த்து சொல்லும்போது ஸ்துதி பீர் அனுவன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லணும். நிறுத்தாத சொல்லு.
ஓகே ஓகே.
now 14.6
இப்போ
14.3
गरुडोपरि कालमेघकम्रं विलसत्केलि सरोजपाणिपद्मं हसितोल्लसिताननं विभो त्वं वपुराविष्कुरुषे स्म कर्दमाय.
குட். இந்த மேக மட்டும் ககாரம் மகாபிராணா வரல, வேற எல்லாம் சரியா வந்துருது.
ஓகே, thank you so much. धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः. नम्बियूर् गिरि 14.4.
प्रदाय तस्मै मनुपुत्रीं दयितां नवापि पुत्रीः कपिलं च सुतं त्वमेव पश्चात् स्वगतिं चाप्यनुगृह्य निर्गतो भूः.
Very good improvement. Little more Mahaprana, if you can give stress, it'll be nice. Good.
Thank you. Ram Ram.
Ram Ram. Sridevi N 14.5. Sridevi N. Sridevi N, you're self muted. Then Sudha K. Sridevi N or Sudha K. Sridevi N.
Namaskaram, sir.
Namaskar.
14.5.
Correct.
14.5.
Yes. Samanushyata.
Samanushyata mahisya gunavatya sudaya cha devahutya भवदीरिदनारतो बदिष्टा समागात् कर्दमागति प्रदीक्षम्.
Tell the third line again.
भवदीरिदनारदो बदिष्टः.
That visarga should come. Good. Correct. Well said. Next, there was somebody here. Sudha K. Yes, Sudha K. Sudha K. 14.6.
मनुनोपहृताञ्च देवहूतिं तरुणीरत्नमवाप्य कर्दमोऽसौ भवदर्चननिवृतोऽपि तस्यां दृढशुश्रूषणया दधौ प्रसादम्.
Very good. Which class are you studying in?
Second.
Who teaches you, Amma or Appa?
Appa.
Very good. Very good. Well said. Practice it more, you will get very well. Anna cholra. Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram. Vijay Lakshmi Parthasarathi 14.7. And the previous the small girl, I forgot to ask your name. You should attend the memorization test also. Okay. Ram Ram. Vijay Lakshmi Parthasarathi or Sai Preeti. Sai Preeti or Vijay Lakshmi Parthasarathi. Sai Preeti. Yes.
Sapunas.
Hello.
Yes.
Sapunastvadupasana prabhavat dayita kamakృతే कृते विमाने वनिता कुलसङ्कुलो नवात्मा व्यहरद्देव पथेषु देवहूत्या.
Very good. Good. Well decided. I think the first time we are telling.
Namaste, sir.
Vijay,
Namaste,
you
sir.
want to tell the same thing.
Okay, same. स पुनस्त्वदुपासनं प्रभावात् दयिता कामकृते कृते विमाने वनिता कुलसङ्कुलो नवात्मा व्यहरद्देव पथेषु देवहूत्या.
Good. So we have finished 12 shlokas today, 12 people, and that is enough for today. Many more people we will see in the next class. Ram 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 Sarvebhyah Shubharatri. Punarmilama.